Students, welcome to physics class 10th. Last day we study chapter Human Eye and the Colorful World. So remain part of this chapter we will study today. The distance between near point and far point of the eye is called the range of vision. Next topic is advantages of two eyes for vision. A human being has a horizontal field of view of about 150 degree with one eye and of about 180 degree with two eyes. So, two eyes give a wider field of view. The ability to detect faint object is enhanced with two eyes. Our eyes are separated by a few centimeters, and each eye sees a slightly different image. Our brain combines the two images into one. Tell us how close or far away things are. Keeping both the eyes open provide the third dimension of depth. Next topic is defect of vision and their correction. Sometimes the eyes may gradually lose its power of accommodation. In such condition, the person cannot see the object clearly and comfortable. He feels strain in the eyes. The vision becomes blurred due to the refractive defect of the eye. There are mainly three common refractive defect of vision. These are the follows. First is myopia or near short sightedness. Second is hypermetropia or far or long sightedness. Third is presbyopia. So we study first point of this defect, myopia or near short sightedness. A person with object distinctly. In this case, image forms before retina and not on the retina. Causes: a person with this defect has a far point nearer than infinity. This defect arises due to the decrease in the focal length of the lens because of excessive curvature of eye lens or elongation of the eye wall. As a result, the image is formed before retina. Remedy this defect can be corrected by using concave lens. A concave lens of suitable power will bring back the image of retina. Here, three figures are given related to this defect. Next is hypermetropia or far or long sightedness. A person with hypermetropia can see distinct object clearly but cannot see nearly object distinctly, whereas the normal eye has a near point of about 25 centimeter. A person with hypermetropic eye may have near point several meters from the eye. In the other word, for a hypermetropic eye, the near point shift away from the eye, that is farther away from the normal point near point 25 centimeter. Causes: this defect arises due to following reasons. First is focal length of the eye lens becomes large. Second is eyeball becomes too short so that the image is formed behind the retina. Remedy: this defect can be corrected by using a convex lens of suitable power. This will bring the image back on retina. Students, in this chapter, especially we study about the defect, eye defect, myopia and hypermetropia. Next day we study presbyopia.